Right, now we're filming a White Knight CL43.
Yes.
I've plugged in.
43, but yeah.
43.
Yeah. Oh no, I haven't plugged it in yet. Say, should we say about 70 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we've destroyed it.
Let's shut. Do.
Listen how quiet this is, guys. Oh my god, Millie's liked my comment on my post. Oh shit, look. Millie Gibbo liked your comment. Oh.
Nice.
No.
Something wrong.
Oh, that's the reaction I have at home.
Yeah, so imagine this scares the crap out of
It does. What? Oh. What? I like when people put what's in W-O-T. You what, mate?
I hate that.
Look at that meme going around. You what, mate? And it's a guy on the news.
You what, mate?
I would like one of these.
Yeah, nice.
It's just the trouble is, people have had dryers on their balcony, but I don't know, like, someone had a Carina dryer on there, a Crusader dryer on their balcony rather.
Oh yeah.
It's not like we've got anything on our balcony.
No, I mean it's not like it's going to get rained on, is it?
I suppose you could put it on, well, I'd raise it off the floor.
Raise it off the floor, and then what you could do is get one of those those wash machine covers, just so that it's protected in the winter.
I could build something around it as well.
Yeah. Should get one of those.
The thing is, like, compact's good, but it only is good for small stuff.
Yeah, this is actually really good for the size.
The only thing I don't like about White Knight is they cut off the heat going reverse.
Do they actually?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Because I think the fan only blows air one way.
Not bad reverse on it actually.
Happy almost birthday.
Happy.
Reaches 12.
Everyone's looking at her birthday.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
That smells nice. It's good, it blows it out the bottom, doesn't it?
From the top there.
That's what you can smell. I feel like Witch Watcher did this kind of video now because it's that zoomed out.
Yeah. That's good look angle though.
That's what I like, being able to film from far.
But we'll just do that soon.
That's satisfying to see dryness. But that's a 2 kilowatt heater, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I think
the full size are 2 kilowatt volts, but they're not on the compacts.
No.
Someone's made an edit for me for my birthday.
Aww.
I've asked someone to say the word cookie.
Cook it.
Cook.
I'll cook it. Turn the water out outside. I like how it says important, please read the instructions. What,
Too late.
plug the fan in?
Yeah.
Sorry. See if that reaches down there. Well, I'll take it off.
Jesus Christ. What if just the whole power network goes on? No, look.
Oh, it's just hanging, isn't it?
Stand it with it.
No.
Way.
That's nice. Yeah, do you see what I mean? Look.
Woo! I like when the timer keeps running.
It's nice, isn't it?
Oh. I'll stop for a bit.
Well, it does, doesn't it? Ah, the thingies had the Windows had a wee wee.
Wee wee. He got excited.
Looked so excited. It found itself.
White Knight.
Bit racist.
No, it isn't it? But then they also do them in grey, green.
Should we go inside for a tiny bit?
Yeah, I think we should, isn't it? I'll let that at 10 minutes and then
Oh yeah.
another minute. And that's it.
Nice one.
It's got 10 minutes worth of drawing.
It's pretty good going. Then we'll come back when it kind of comes to the cool down.
I don't know, 22 or 4 might be going soon actually.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Oh, dry's so satisfying.
It's nice, isn't it?
You get the tumbling in that you don't get from a small one.
No. I've always been impressed by this whenever I went to my dad's.
White shite, I agree, on
The compacts.
for their compacts.
Make it 10 minutes. I'll walk down to the station with you.
Oh yeah. Right, so that's about, how many minutes through now? It's like half an hour.
Yes, half an hour.
Half an hour through. It's going good. We're going soon, guys, but I just want to get a bit more of the White Knight because they're really nice dryers, to be honest.
Yeah, no, they're very cool.
Why have we got a Hotpoint thing there? Oh, it's not. I thought it was a Hotpoint plug to have. God, I miss my White Knight.
Yeah.
Even though it was loud, it was very loud.
Yeah. I noticed that when I very much my aunties.
Is that the one who's got my White Knight?
Yeah.
It's loud.
A little bit, yeah.
It's making quite a bit of vibration through the floor. I've got mine on a dolly now though.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Oh my god, it makes my room so fluffy. I don't know why. There's just so much. Oh, that's because the other models had a vent on them.
Yeah. Yeah, this one vents out the back.
Yeah, I don't know why they didn't just put the filter on the back.
Yeah. I was surprised they didn't do it from the front. Oh, that'd be quite cool to have done as well.
I like that though.
It looks good, doesn't it?
I think that matches my 9530. It's in the same range.
Yeah. It's a shame we didn't want that. But you haven't moved out at all.
I don't know how they do. The only thing is they're unidirectional, isn't it? The ball stuff up.
Yeah, that's the only.
I think. But that's like what the. What's that?
Oh, that's off a thermometer.
That pauses for a lot longer of us on the Tumble.
Yeah, it's quite good, I think.
But I don't know if, I think someone told me this as well. White Knights, they turn off the heat when they reverse.
Yeah. I haven't really seen it, no?
What does the Indus do? That reverse, that does tumbles for 3 minutes. The old one decreases for 70 seconds. Alright guys, so we'll cut that one off there for the White Knight. It's been a pleasure being at Charlie's.
It's been brilliant, I've really enjoyed it.
Yes. If you guys don't know, it's my 25th birthday on the 10th of April. Don't know how much of this is going to be uploaded before. Probably not.
So probably only for 1 or 2
One, probably the Zanussi if I get to a
Yes.
32-minute final spin.
Oh yes.
Right guys, so we're heading home now, so thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.